The Audi RS4 Avant, it offers unrivalled fusion of practicality, performance, luxury and legendary four-wheel drive technology. We have this stunning 2022 model on just only 5,400 miles, and this represents the latest and greatest incarnation of this halo model. This model is classed as the B9.5. That 0.5 meaning it is the facelift of the B9 generation that flourished in 2017. The facelift model introduced a whole new exterior visual tweak which was heavily focused on revising the front and rear of the car. You eagle-eyed viewers would have noticed the advanced Audi Matrix headlights with brand new LED animations, which you also get with the rear lights. All of this is to keep up with Audi's new design language, which is still present to this day in late 2023. And moving inside, Audi also introduced brand new RS specific displays on the virtual cockpit and the new 10.1-inch MMI touch display system on the centre console. And all of this is still in keeping with Audi's current design language. But this RS4 is a carbon black edition, which makes it that bit more special because it features a host of carbon fibre exterior aero which collaborates with the gloss back styling package, the 20-inch Audi Sport alloy wheels and the carbon fibre extends to the interior with gloss carbon-twill inlays. In addition to the carbon black extras, there are an array of cost options, including the heated RS steering wheel, red RS brake calipers, the comfort and sound pack which features the Bang Olufsen sound system, the 360-degree surround view camera, and the RS Sport exhaust system which helps make that 2.9 litre V6 engine sound more fruity. But the one thing we all love about the RS4 is its practicality. It is perfect for families and there's plenty of storage capacity inside. If you're a bit of an adventurer like myself, this car can carry all of your luggage. For example, these are my skis and it can carry them no problem. Further to its specification, this RS4 also benefits from an extra £2,500 worth of paint protection film applied to all impact zones, and is also equipped with a DMS Automotive Stage 1 remap, bumping up the power an extra 75 PS, so it now produces 525 PS. That's a quick summary of this impeccable, well cared for Audi RS4. It's now going to enter our unrivaled detailing preparation process where it will meet our high exacting standards. So if you want to find out more information about this car, we recommend heading over to our website or giving us a quick call.